Welcome to Study Loop.
A code for a particular combination lock can only include letters, symbols, and digits from a selection of 7 letters, 3 digits, and 5 symbols. A valid code for the lock must consist of exactly 2 letters, 1 symbol, 1 digit, and 1 symbol in that order. Repetition is allowed. How many different codes possible? Well, let's stick to the parameters. Exactly 2 letters, and there are 7 to choose from. Repetition is allowed, so there are 7 choices for the letter, 7 choices for the letter. 1 symbol. There are 5 symbols to choose from. One digit and 1 symbol. So there's 3 digits to choose from, and again 5 symbols to choose from because repetition is allowed. We don't have to account for that when being taken up. So we're going to multiply 7 times 7 times 5 times 3 times 5. For 3,675, different codes that are possible to create with these parameters.